Hi everyone, today we will discuss the benefits of using the Laravel framework. But first, let's discover what Laravel is. Laravel is an open-source PHP framework developed by Taylor Otwell in 2011. It was created to address the shortcomings of previous frameworks like CodeIgniter, offering features such as user authentication and authorization. Due to its fast, scalable, and secure nature, Laravel has since become a preferred choice for many developers. Laravel's popularity is due to its elegant syntax and ease of use. It has a strong ecosystem with numerous built-in tools and modules that simplify web development. Being open source, it continuously improves with contributions from developers worldwide. One key benefit is seamless user authentication and authorization. Laravel's plug-and-play systems provide secure, intuitive user access with minimal effort. Another advantage is cross-platform integration with mail and messaging systems. Laravel's built-in Mail API supports services like Mailgun, Mandrill, and Slack, ensuring seamless communication. Fast caching integrations are crucial for smooth website performance. Laravel supports cache backends like Memcached and Redis, ensuring your site runs efficiently. For secure transactions, Laravel protects against threats like SQL injection and cross-site scripting, which is ideal for handling sensitive data. Prioritized messaging in the queue is a significant benefit. Laravel can prioritize critical communications, enhancing user experience. Intelligent scheduling for in-app tasks simplifies maintenance with easy task scheduling without multiple cron entries. Laravel's beautiful design templates streamline the design process. The pre-installed template tool offers a range of responsive modern design options. For multilingual web applications, Laravel's superior routing capabilities ensure efficient content delivery in various languages. At ProCopders, we recommend Laravel for its built-in functions like authentication, mailer library drivers, security features, and error handling. These pre-programmed bundles save time and reduce development costs by about 35%. Laravel's excellent integration capabilities with other systems make it versatile and suitable for any web application. In conclusion, Laravel offers numerous benefits that make it a top choice for web development. From fast development and cost savings to robust security and flexibility, Laravel stands out. Our experience with Laravel has shown consistent success, and we highly recommend it for your next web application project. If you want to leverage Laravel for your business, we're here to help you get started.